Hello, check out this week's dropshipping bestsellers together. The first recommendation product is the automatic Pet Paw Cleaner. It can be seen from the Google Trends search chart that the market demand for this product is showing a stable trend. On TikTok, many product use videos show its ability to easily clean dirty pet paws. This product can easily solve the cleaning problem of pet owners. In addition, its automatic cleaning feature is easy to operate and suitable for all kinds of pets, and its small size can effectively help you reduce shipping costs and maximize your profits. The second one is the wood wine Chime. Fluctuating Google search trends show the product has heat and potential market attention. This item, made of natural wood, is eco-friendly with rustic charm ideal as a gift. Besides, its crisp sound relieves stress, suiting people's pursuit of a quality, relaxed life. The following item is the magnetic drawing board. As can be seen from the figure, the demand in the market changes over time. Seize the good-selling choice now. This product, blending fun with draw to spark creativity, is a hit among parents. We source directly from suppliers, offering products with mature tech, stable quality and reasonable prices, minimizing your after-sales issues. Feel free to contact us now. The fourth item is the Ocean Crystal Bowl Lamp. The figure shows this product has a certain market demand and potential for explosive sales. This product's unique shape grabs consumers' attention. It addresses the drawback of ordinary lamps by offering more than just light. Plus, it's easy for you to make the eye-catching marketing materials, greatly promoting product sales. See, the fifth bestseller is the Puffer Tote Bag. Rising Google search trends show the product is trending and has strong growth potential. Good TikTok likes show the product has reached its target audience, hinting at market share growth and sales potential. This bag features captivating design and is versatile for various age and dressing styles. Besides, it overcomes common tote bag flaws like small and plain look with a large storage and eye-catching design. If you're operating a girl's store, waste no time. Add it to your online store inventory right away. The sixth one is the adjustable foam roller. From Google search trends, the product is in a market upswing with growing popularity, suggesting broad prospects. It is highly adjustable and can meet the personalized needs of different users for exercise intensity and location. For online sports stores, bundling it with other fitness gear meets diverse demands. The final one is the mini Keychain digital camera. TikTok videos of this product are popular, showing its high topical and good word of mouth. This delicate and unique camera item, combining decoration and practicality, has become a hot trend. Worth mentioning is that it has an affordable price, which attracts consumers to buy it easily and reserves a considerable profit margin for you.